Once a small Roman settlement, Basel faced rival tribes and later weathered conflicts during the Reformation. Yet it blossomed into a vibrant city of culture and commerce, embracing its history while embracing the modern world. Today, its captivating architecture, renowned museums, and warm hospitality make Basel an unforgettable destination. Here are the best things to do in Basel, Switzerland. Number 10. Basel Minster. Welcome to Basel Minster, an enchanting haven that seamlessly blends spirituality and artistic marvels. As you step into this religious landmark, you'll be greeted by the grandeur of Swiss architecture, showcased throughout its renowned red sandstone walls and a vibrantly captivating roof. Once a Catholic cathedral, the Basel Minster has transformed into a reformed Protestant church, holding within its walls a tapestry of history and cultural significance. The elegant white interior adorned with striking sandstone arches creates a breathtaking spectacle, leaving visitors awestruck by its beauty. This magnificent sanctuary also boasts a thriving art scene, making it an unmissable destination for art enthusiasts. Number 9. Basel's Old Town. Basel's Old Town is one of the top places you simply can't miss when exploring this city. As you meander through the charming streets of this historical district, you'll encounter well-preserved buildings that speak volumes about the city's architectural heritage and Swiss culture. Among these landmarks, Basel City Hall and the Basel Minster stand out for their historical significance. Take some time out to admire the Middle Bridge too, a landmark bridge connecting two parts of this old town which has been a major part of history since its establishment. During your walking tour, indulge in traditional sweets while discovering exquisite art sprawled throughout this quaint part of town. Number 8. Tangley Fountain. Discover the enchanting Tangley Fountain, a perfect fusion of sculptural art and water, offering a truly one-of-a-kind experience. Crafted in 1977 by the Swiss maestro Jean Tangley, this fountain pays homage to Basel's illustrious theatrical past, making it much more than just a cluster of figures spouting water. Inside this beautiful water feature, 10 iron figures come to life, animated by low-voltage currents that set them into graceful mechanical motions. As the figures dance and spin, they create a mesmerizing visual spectacle, accompanied by the soothing sounds of flowing water, captivating visitors of all ages. Number 7. Augusta Raurica Roman Ruins. Nestled just 12 miles east of Basel along the scenic Rhine River, the engaging Augusta Raurica Roman ruins await your exploration. This ancient treasure, founded in 15 BC, offers an unparalleled glimpse into the fascinating world of Roman civilization. Wander through the largest archaeological park in Switzerland, where well-preserved remains and more than 20 magnificent monuments, including a Roman house and theater, await your exploration. History enthusiasts and families will be enthralled by the immersive experience of this open-air museum. Traverse the ancient streets and picture life in the Roman era. You can also take a guided tour to gain deeper insights or roam freely to absorb the serene atmosphere. Number 6. Basel Rhine River Tour. For a more thrilling adventure, don't miss the chance to go on a Basel Rhine River tour. This exciting river cruise promises an indelible experience, allowing you to soak up the enthralling charm of this beautiful city. Glide along the historic Rhine River and be mesmerized by the awesome sights and sounds that unfold before you. As you float downstream, the architectural marvels of Basel will leave you in awe. The City Hall stands proudly, a symbol of the city's rich heritage. Take in the gripping historical landmarks and envelop yourself in the vibrant culture that surrounds you. While enjoying the leisurely boat ride, you can also indulge your senses with a delightful chocolate tasting. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Basel experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Spallantor Old City Gates. Don't miss the chance to visit the Spallantor, a spectacular view city gate that dates back to 1400. Which is also an integral part of Basel's historical fortifications. Aside from its eventful past, The Spallentor also treats you to attractive views of the scenic surroundings. Take your time to explore every nook and cranny of this historical landmark, and you will be captivated by its interesting stories. Also, get ready to be spellbound by the intricate architecture and imposing presence of this ancient city gate. After descending the tower, take a leisurely stroll through the lively cobbled streets lined with quaint cafes, boutiques, and art galleries, adding to the city's allure. Number 4. Vitra Design Museum. Make your way to the Vitra Design Museum, a fantastic destination dedicated to the intriguing world of design and architecture. Here, the relationship between design and architecture is beautifully showcased through engaging research, thought-provoking presentations, and awe-inspiring exhibitions. The museum's architecture, designed by renowned Frank O'Gary, is a sight to behold in itself, offering a harmonious blend of art and functionality. As you explore further, prepare to be entranced by the unique and immersive experiences that await you inside. After viewing the lovely exhibitions, don't forget to visit the museum's shop, a treasure trove of design-related items that offer the chance to take a piece of creativity home with you. Number 3. Three County Corner. Visiting a spot that allows you to step foot in 3 countries may sound impossible, but that is the reality at the 3 Country Corner. At this monument, Switzerland, France, and Germany converge, creating a meeting place of diverse languages and traditions. The allure of this place lies in its ability to provide a glimpse into 3 distinct cultures within a small radius. One of the must-do activities here is taking a boat tour that departs from the 3 Country Corner and cruises along the enchanting Basel Rhine River. Witness the picturesque landscapes of all 3 countries from the comfort of a boat and take in the natural beauty that surrounds this remarkable region. Number 2. Bottmingen Castle. At Bottmingen Castle, you will be enthralled by its moated charm and 13th century heritage if you're into history or just looking for a perfect romantic setting. This majestic castle stands as a true highlight in the area, boasting impressive Baroque architecture and a romantic park setting that mesmerizes visitors. Once serving the aristocratic servants of the bishops of Basel, this historical gem evolved into a masterpiece of early Baroque style in 1720. Today, it stands as a testament to Swiss heritage and offers an easily accessible escape from Basel City's hustle. While you're there, wander through the castle's grounds and you'll be astounded by the engaging tales of the past within its walls. Number 1. Basel Paper Mill Museum. Wrap your Basel adventure at the Basel Paper Mill Museum, where you can uncover the history of paper making in the region. Within its 4 floors, the Basel Paper Mill Museum houses a treasure trove of historical artifacts, showcasing the evolution of paper-making techniques over the centuries. Learn more about the craftsmanship of bookbinding and printing methods that have shaped the written word. Engage in hands-on experiences during their creative workshops, where you can try your hand at making your very own paper. This place is guided by skilled artisans, allowing you to gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and precision required in this time-honored practice. Click here for more things to do in Switzerland.